Hello friends, this is Sarinath. You are watching Tech Content English YouTube channel. Today I will take you Samsung Galaxy F41 full review. I'm using this Samsung Galaxy F41 mobile since 1 month, and in this video I'll explain the features I like most and the features I don't like. This mobile I got it for 13k through Flipkart. This has 6 GB RAM and 64 GB variant, and during Diwali festival this mobile has priced about 12,000 for 64 GB variant. Now the price in the Flipkart is showing 16,999 for 64 GB variant and 17,999 for 128 GB storage variant. If you wish to buy this mobile, maybe you can go and wait for festival seasons where it gives you great discount and you can go and grab it this mobile. The key features I like in this mobile is it comes with Super AMOLED display. This Super AMOLED display usually you find the mobiles which is priced about 20,000 or more. When I compared Super AMOLED display in other brands, Samsung Galaxy F41 has superior AMOLED display. It has great saturated, punchy and vibrant colors. Also you can enjoy the Dolby Atmos audio quality in this mobile. Here you can find Super AMOLED display HD video quality. This mobile also has a key features which is a wide one L1, where if you are seeing a Netflix or Amazon Prime HD videos, where you feel the best video quality. This mobile also comes with a great audio quality key feature which is Dolby Atmos, where you can connect to 3.5 mm jack and turn on this Dolby Atmos and you can enjoy the benefit of Dolby Atmos audio quality. The next key feature I like is the fingerprint sensor is very quick. This mobile has fingerprint sensors on the back panel. Though it looks like an outdated, but you feel that fingerprint sensor is very quick. The next key feature I like in this mobile is single take option, where it gives you 5 photos and 3 videos at one go for a particular moment. Here I am explaining camera key features. This single take is an option that you generally see in the Samsung flagship mobile. It gives you 7 photos and 3 videos at one moment. And do you have a photo on the photo where it gives an additional features where you can move this dot anywhere on the screen. Once you click on the dot, it captures the click. On the video side, you have one key feature which is a super study on. You can see this hand symbol. Once you click on the hand symbol, it shows super study on. This super study on will be very useful where you are taking a video on little bit of handshake or something, and it gives you the best video quality. While recording the video, you can switch back to front camera to back camera and back camera to front camera. Here is the video quality on motion. Let me switch back to the back camera and let me switch back to front camera. Here is the photos and videos of single take option. Smile, smile. The rear camera comes with 64 megapixel primary sensor with 1.8 aperture, and the front camera 32 megapixel primary sensor with 2.0 aperture. Sample pictures on back camera with 64 megapixel quality. This is the picture taken from selfie camera. These are additional camera features where you have more options
There you have a live focus, pro, forward, night, super slow mode, slow motion, hyperlace.
This mobile also has blue light filter. By enabling it, you feel less strain in the eyes when you are using the mobile for longer time. This feature will be very helpful for the students who uses for long time for online learnings.
When you turn on this blue light filter, you observe the screen is becoming some blue color. This mobile also comes with a key feature, dark mode. When you turn on the dark mode, you will see the all the screen becomes very dark. This mobile also comes with always on display mode, where you can turn on always on display and notification everything you can read over on the screen.
The next key feature I like in this mobile is it carries 6000 mAh battery, which gives you one full day battery usage though you use heavily or multitasking. It gives you 1.5 days to 2 days if you are using normal. The sensors, accelerometer, gyrometer, proximity, and compass are working properly in this mobile. The key feature that I don't like in this mobile is it comes with chipset Exynos 9611. Looking into the current competitive market, Exynos 9611 looks outdated processor. Also, it lags when you are playing graphical games or when you are using multitasking. This mobile comes with 15-watt fast charging. Considering the 6000 mAh battery, they would have given at least 25-watt fast charging. If you use this 15-watt fast charger, it takes over 2.5 hours to get complete charge. I also tried charging this mobile with 65-watt fast charger and it get complete charge in 2 hours 15 minutes, which is little ahead of using 15-watt fast charger. There is no network issues or call quality issues I observed in this mobile. However, when I cut the call, I observe a bit second of lag. The build quality of the mobile looks okay, though it's not so attractive. Also, the back panel made with plastic and it attracts with fingerprint sensors. However, you cover with back panel, so you need not worry about the capturing the fingerprint sensor on the back panel. I suggest this mobile for the users who don't use multitasking or gaming purpose. It will be very helpful for the students who uses for long hours for online learnings. Also for the users who is looking for great camera quality pictures or videos. That's it on the full mobile review. If you like the video, please do subscribe, share, comment, and hit a bell icon to receive my next videos. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next video.